All right, guys, welcome back. The question is, do you want to say goodbye to your mascara and enhance your eyelashes with a lift and a tint? Well, brow, lash, and makeup artist of Beauty by Bex, Rebecca Mafood, is here to tell us all we need to know about this beauty treatment. And ladies, trust me, if you follow her on TikTok, this is the real deal, okay? It's the truth, right? Hi, Beck. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. And of course, like a true professional, she started working already.
Yeah.
Okay, talk us through it now. What is a lash lift? Because in my mind, my lashes are already lifted. Why do I need more enhancements? My natural lashes go up.
Yes.
So what is a lash lift?
Yeah, so people have different lashes, right? There's some people that have very straight, downturned lashes.
Okay.
And there's some people that have naturally curly lashes. Some people have overly natural curled lashes. So the lash lift acts as a enhancement and correction for the lashes. So for people that have more straight, downturned lashes, it lifts them up so that they look longer and fuller.
Got it.
For people that have overly curled lashes, it straightens them a little bit, but also lifts them up at the base, at the root, so that they look longer and fuller and thicker and more lifted.
Okay, all right. Well, you've started working already.
Yes.
Walk us through what you've been doing so far.
Okay, so the process itself takes about an hour, but because we have a short segment today,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just kind of showing you
Okay.
the finishing part so you get an idea of what the process looks like.
Okay.
So what you see on her eyes are these silicone curling shields. So they have a curve to them. So when I lift the lashes up on them and apply the solutions to them, they form to the shape of the shield to look more curled and lifted.
Okay, well, the model looks very much at ease. So this
Yeah.
process looks like it's painless and, really comfortable, right?
It is completely painless. Most of my ladies tend to fall asleep. They always apologize for snoring, and I'm like, it doesn't bother me at all. But yeah, it's completely painless and very relaxed. It's a relaxing service for sure.
You're gonna find me snoring on your table in, just the first 20 minutes. Listen, all right, so aftercare is important because for somebody like me who, whenever time I'm getting tired, I'm gonna be itching my eyes, right? I'm gonna be rubbing my eyes out. But I'm sure I'm not supposed to be doing that.
Yes, so aftercare is definitely a huge part of having the lashes staying looking good after the service is done. So you're not supposed to get the lashes wet for 24 hours, no exposure to steam, heat, or sweating, so no gym,
But Beck,
no
how do I
sauna,
wash
no
my
facial.
face? How do I wash my face?
That's what everyone says. So you can definitely wash the lower part of your face completely normally, but in terms of the eye area, you can use like a cotton round to cleanse around like the forehead. But yeah, it's just 24 hours. And then the best part is that after 24 hours, you can go swimming, you can go to the gym, you can wear eye makeup, you can even wear mascara. And the lashes will stay looking great for about 6 to 8 weeks. So that's up to 2 months of your lashes looking great with no maintenance in between. Unlike with lash extensions, which you have to maintain every 2-3 weeks, the lash lift, 2 months, your lashes are gonna look perfect. You
Because
just wake
this
up and
is,
they look good.
they're my lashes, right?
Yep, it's your lashes. There's nothing attached on them. So it's very easy to take care of as well.
Wow, that is interesting. Okay, so how long, you did say how long it stays lifted for, which is the 6 weeks, right?
6 to 8 weeks.
6
so
to 8 weeks.
Up to 2 months, yeah.
Okay, got it. All right. What's being done right now to the model? Because I know you have some water there.
Yes. So what I'm doing right now is essentially removing the glue residue from the lashes that lifts them up onto the curling shield.
Okay.
I've already applied the curling solutions to them before this because that needs time to process.
Right.
So you're gonna see them revealed shortly. So we're gonna remove these off the eyes.
Ooh.
And then I'm gonna dry them so they're nice and fluffy for the
Oh, I can
reveal.
see them from here. Wow, that is incredible. So for the girls who think that, my natural lashes are very short, Becky, they're not going anywhere. I mean, good luck in trying to get them up, right? What would you say to them?
So if you do have very short or fine natural lashes, a lash lift may not be the best solution for you, but I always recommend if you're curious, if you are interested in trying it but you're not sure, book a free consultation with me. I would love to look at your lashes and see what the best solution for you would be, because if you do want a more natural enhancement and you don't want something very dramatic or glamorous, the lash lift could still make a really beautiful enhancement for you.
Nice. Okay. All right. So what else do you do at your studio?
Yeah, so I also also do eyebrow lamination, I do henna brow tinting, I do hybrid brow tinting, and I also do makeup. So Jada has her eyebrows tinted right now. She has a hybrid eyebrow tint, which lasts for up to 10 days. So they stay looking perfect. And I also have my brows tinted too, and then makeup as well. So lots of different things to choose from.
And I can get both services in one sitting?
Yes, so I actually did both her lashes and her brows at the same time. So you kill two birds with one stone. It's really great. So if you do want to do two services, the brows and the lashes, we can definitely do that.
Oh, wow. Okay, so for the brows though, hon, do you pluck my eyebrows to get them in the shape that you want them to get into? Like, how do you manage that? Do you thread them?
So we can definitely do plucking. I also do waxing and threading. So you have the option to choose whichever you prefer.
Nice.
So yeah.
Okay, I'm getting the vibe though that you don't necessarily use a lot of, I'm gonna call them additives because I don't have any other word, right? But the extra stuff, you don't use a lot of stuff that may be harmful to the skin.
Yes, so what's great about the lash lift is that it is completely harmless to the eyes. It's ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested
Nice.
to make sure it's completely safe. You never have to worry about the lash lift damaging your natural lashes. It's actually clinically proven to thicken the lashes up to 24% and promote growth. So you're not only enhancing the look of your lashes, but it's also like a treatment for the lashes because they're gonna keep looking better over time.
Okay, I don't remember if you told me, but how long would I be in your salon for a lash lift?
Yeah, so the process takes about 1 hour. If you're doing the tinting with the lash lift, it can take about an hour and a half.
Okay, and if I start sleeping on the table?
Well, if you're sleeping and you want to stay in your nap, then you can definitely do that. But yeah, you definitely get a good at least 1 hour nap while you're with me.
Okay, all right. Well, how can people contact you? How can they get in on this beautiful enhancement?
So you can definitely reach out through my Instagram at Beauty by Bex. You can also WhatsApp me at 301-5992, and I'm happy to help you with any questions that you have. As I said, you can always do a free consultation if you are not sure which service to pick. And I would love to have you in the studio sometime soon.
I love it. I love it. Okay, well, the model looks like she just woke up. She woke up like this. Okay, can we see it? Oh
Yes.
my gosh.
So they're nice and
absolutely
lifted.
gorgeous.
Yep, they look
Feeling good?
really
Give me a
great.
thumbs up. It's feeling very good. Thank you so much, brow, lash, and makeup artist with Beauty by Bex, Rebecca Mafu. Don't go anywhere, guys. You can smile. We'll continue right after this break. Stay with us.